Will versus trust. Which one protects your family better? Do you know the difference between a will and a trust? And more importantly, which one is right for you? If you're looking to protect your family's future, you absolutely need to understand this. Today, we're going to break down the key advantages of both a will and a trust, and I'll show you exactly how each one works to safeguard your legacy. Stay tuned to find out which option can give you peace of mind and why, in some cases, you might need both. Let's get started. Before we dive in, I'm Alina Nuñez, the managing attorney here at Nunez Estate Law and Title. My team and I are dedicated to protecting your family and assets for future generations, giving you peace of mind during life's most stressful moments. Let's jump in and make sure you're equipped to make the best decisions for your family's legacy. All right. Let's kick things off with a will. It's often the first thing that comes to mind when people think about estate planning, and for a good reason. A will is straightforward, simple to create, and it gives you full control over what happens to your assets when you are no longer around. First up, it's easy. Whether you're just starting to plan or have a smaller estate, a will is a great starting point. You can clearly spell out who gets what, whether it's your home, bank accounts, or even your beloved pets. For parents, a will is essential to specify who will care for your children if something happens to you. You don't want to leave that decision up to a judge, right? A will ensures your kids are taken care of by someone you trust without the courts getting involved. The best part? Updating your will is super easy. Did you just buy a house or have a baby? Just update your will to keep it in line with your current life. Keep in mind, a will does not avoid probate. But if you have a smaller estate or are just getting started, it's a fantastic way to make sure everything is handled the way you want. Now, let's talk about trusts. They're a little bit more complex than a will, but they come with some big advantages. The biggest? Avoiding probate. When someone passes away, their assets usually go through a long, costly, and public court process called probate. With a trust, however, your estate bypasses all of that. It's distributed privately and quickly, saving your family time, money, and unnecessary stress. Another key benefit is the control a trust gives you of how and when your beneficiaries receive their inheritance. You can specify whether they get it all at once or in stages. You can even protect family members who might struggle with managing money. Just another way a trust can provide peace of mind. And here's a benefit that surprises many: tax savings. Certain types of trusts can reduce estate taxes, which could save your heirs a lot of money. This is especially helpful if you have a larger estate and want to minimize the financial burden on your loved ones. Finally, privacy. Since a trust avoids probate, everything stays private. This can be a huge relief for families who prefer to keep their personal matters out of the public eye. So if you're looking for more control, privacy, and potential tax savings, a trust could be a great way to protect your legacy. So now that we've covered the benefits of both a will and a trust, here's a little secret. You don't always have to choose one over the other. In many cases, using both a will and a trust together can offer the best protection for your estate. Here's how it works. A trust is great for handling your major assets, like real estate, bank accounts, and investments. But what about those personal belongings? Maybe the family heirlooms, sentimental items, or your cherished collection of things. That's where a will steps in. A will can take care of those smaller, non-titled items while your trust handles the bigger picture. But what if you forgot to transfer something into your trust, like a car or an old savings account that didn't have a beneficiary? Well, that's where your will comes in as a safety net. It ensures that everything you own is taken care of, even the things that slip through the cracks. Using both a will and a trust together also gives you flexibility. You can set up the big picture with a trust while ensuring the finer details are covered in your will. It's about creating a comprehensive plan that works for your specific needs and gives you peace of mind knowing that all bases are covered. So whether you're leaning towards a will or a trust, or maybe even both, remember, it's all about what works best for you and your family. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but with the right estate planning, you can protect your legacy and give your loved ones the peace of mind they deserve. If you're ready to get started, or if you have any questions about which option is best for you, we would love to help. Reach out to me and my team at Nunez Estate Law and Title, and we'll guide you through the process every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. We'll see you in the next one, where we'll dive deeper into more estate planning tips. Take care.